Have you ever wondered how businesses with a global footprint manage their finances? It's a complex puzzle with many pieces, but one solution stands out: the global account. Today, we're diving into the world of Airwallex and their innovative global account. Imagine you're a growing business with operations in multiple countries. You're juggling different currencies, managing international payments, and dealing with a maze of regulations. It's a headache, right? That's where Airwallex's global account comes in. What is a global account? Think of it as your one-stop shop for all your international financial needs. It's a multi-currency account that allows you to hold, send, and receive money in various currencies, all from a single platform. No more juggling multiple bank accounts or dealing with complex currency conversions. Key features of Airwallex's global account: multi-currency, hold and manage funds in over 100 currencies. Global payments, send and receive payments seamlessly across borders. Virtual IBANs, receive payments in local currencies with a virtual IBAN. API integration, integrate the global account into your existing systems for automation. FX services, benefit from competitive exchange rates and hedging tools. How does it work? Sign up, create a global account with Airwallex. Fund your account, deposit funds in your preferred currency. Manage your finances, use the platform to send, receive, and convert funds. Integrate with your business, connect the global account to your accounting software or e-commerce platform. Benefits of using a global account: efficiency, streamline your financial operations and save time. Cost effectiveness, reduce transaction costs and currency exchange fees. Scalability, easily expand your business into new markets. Compliance, ensure compliance with local regulations. Real-world examples: e-commerce, a global e-commerce company can easily accept payments from customers worldwide without worrying about currency exchange. Freelancers can receive payments from clients in different countries and manage their earnings in their preferred currency. Businesses with global supply chains, companies can pay suppliers and receive payments from customers in their local currencies. The global account is a game changer for businesses operating in the global market. By simplifying international financial transactions and reducing costs, it empowers businesses to grow and succeed. So, if you're looking to streamline your financial operations and expand your business globally, Airwallex's global account is worth considering. Visit Airwallex's website to learn more and sign up for a global account. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Until next time, happy globalizing.